Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart Talk English. This podcast is specially made for English learners who want to speak clearly and confidently. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Hi, friends. This is Maya, and learning English together in a simple and friendly way is our goal. Today's topic is very small in words, but very powerful in speaking.
Yes. Today, we will talk about three tiny but very important words: do, does, and did. These words look easy, but many learners feel confused when using them.
So don't worry. By the end of this episode, you will feel relaxed and confident using do, does, and did in your daily English.
Let's get started.
Let's start with the word do. We use do with I, you, we, and they. It is used in the present tense when we talk about daily action and routines.
For example, I do my homework. You do the dishes. They do their work. It sounds simple, and it really is simple when you understand the pattern.
Do is also used to ask questions. Do you like coffee? Do they play football? Here, do helps us make a question in present tense.
What is does? Now comes does. We use does with he, she, and it. This is where many learners make mistakes, but it becomes easy with practice.
For example, he does his homework. She does the cleaning. It does not work. You can see that does is only for singular third person.
In questions, we say, does he like coffee? Does she live here? Does it look good? Notice that the main verb stays in its base form.
Do and does in negative sentences. Now let's make negative sentences. With I, you, we, they, we say, do not. For example, I do not like tea. They do not watch TV.
With he, she, it, we say, does not. He does not like tea. She does not wake up early. It does not matter.
In speaking, we often use short forms. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. These are very common in daily conversation.
Using did for the past. Now let's move to the past. For past tense, we use only one word, did. It works with all subjects.
For example, I did my homework yesterday. She did the shopping. They did their work. Very easy. No change for he, she, or they.
In questions, we say, did you call me? Did he finish the work? Did they go to school? Again, the main verb stays in base form.
Did in negative sentences. For negative past sentences, we say did not. I did not go. She did not call. They did not understand.
In short form, we say didn't. I didn't go. He didn't eat. We didn't watch the movie. This is very common in spoken English.
Remember, after did or didn't, the verb is always in base form. Not went, not ate, only go, eat, call.
Common mistakes learners make. Many learners say, he do his work. This is wrong. It should be, he does his work.
Another mistake is, did you went there? This is also wrong. It should be, did you go there?
These mistakes are very normal. Don't feel bad. Just remember the simple rule. After do, does, and did, use the base verb.
Practice with daily examples. Let's practice with daily life sentences. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Does your friend live near you? Did you sleep well last night?
I do exercise every day. She does yoga in the morning. We did a lot of work yesterday. These sentences are natural and useful.
Try to make your own examples from your routine. This helps you remember faster and speak more naturally.
Why these words are important in speaking. These small words help your English sound complete. Without them, sentences feel broken and unclear.
When you use do, does, and did correctly, your speaking becomes smooth. People understand you more easily.
Confidence in English does not come from big words. It comes from using small words correctly.
Simple speaking practice. Every day, ask yourself simple questions. Do I feel good today? Does my family need anything? Did I complete my work?
Answer them in English. I do feel good. My brother does need help. I did complete my work. This daily practice trains your mouth.
Speaking is muscle memory. The more you practice these small structures, the more natural your English becomes.
So today, we learned how to use do, does, and did in present and past sentences, in questions, and in negative forms. Small words, but very powerful.
Practice these sentences daily, and you will notice a big improvement in your speaking confidence. Keep it simple, keep it natural.
Thank you so much for listening to Smart Talk English. We are always here to make English easy for you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We will meet you in the next episode with another helpful topic. Goodbye and keep practicing English.